Pwede naman sir. Pwede kami.
Pwede, kung gusto nyo.
Picture naman.
Pwede, di ba? Para mas relax tayo. Diba? O, sakto, umaatras tong wall, oh.
Oh my gosh.
Ayan, ano po ka, sir? Diba? Picture lang.
Picture nung ha.
Sarap pala yung looking up.
Sir, dito pa.
Pepe, hindi po. Okay po.
Okay. Love, money, fame. The top of it is love.
Ikaw.
Pepe, kumusta ka na after nung single
Dito
questions
pa.
na? Kumusta yung pagbabalik mo sa single?
Pwede naman, okay lang sa akin. Pero, kamusta yung pagbabalik ko sa singling? Ayun, naalala ko yung mental health ko.
Binalik talaga. No?
Bumalik na naman.
Hindi, syempre, it's an honor, di ba? Kasi one of the highlights of my singing career. Not a lot of people. Ngayon, mas dumadami na, but in the past few years, not a lot of people know that I sing. Kita ko madalas sa comment section, ay kumakanta pala siya. So, this is my roots eh. So, it's a reminder of the time when my roots were celebrated. And this is also the first time sa Singaling na nakaabot ako sa grand finals. So, it's a great honor. It's a core memory. So, it's good.
Sino ka ba siya nun sir?
Si Patrick Kiris yung
Ah,
nag-champion. Sila Aljur.
Parang pandemic.
Parang medyo
After,
patapos na yung pandemic.
2021.
Yeah.
How was your experience po so far?
Ano yung
Dun
core
sa-
memory mo?
Doon?
Doon. Memorable experience
Paulit-ulit
mo.
ko na sinasabi pero sasabihin ko ulit. Paborito ko na pinayagan akong mag-perform na nakapaa. Because I'm comfortable singing barefoot. Eh.
Bakit po?
Ha?
Bakit po?
Well, I feel more connected. Diba? Nung panahon naman ng caveman, wala sapatos eh. So, it's good to be, I feel grounded.
Alam naman namin you're a singer talaga, pero ano yung
Ay, thank you.
naging challenge nyo sa pagsali dito sa Singaling?
Was it different as in theater?
Theater,
Of course, you've been
diba?
there.
Definitely. Kasi sa theater, mas maraming rehearsal eh. Nagiging muscle memory siya. Tapos, you're just competing with yourself pag sa theater eh. Dito, you're competing with... Although, I try to just enjoy it and give the best performance that I can give. Because I think in any performance naman, I'm just competing with yung police sa likod, the critic. Diba? So once I silence that, I feel free and I just perform for the people and for him.
Did you happen to have like your own charity that you supported during that time?
Yeah, Dumaguete Animal Sanctuary. I always support foundations na nag-a-adapt, nagre-rescue ng mga hayop.
Animals.
Like ngayon, yung Potion Project, yung Biyaya Animal Sanctuary.
And were you able to help them during that season?
Yes, I'm grateful I was able to give financial help.
That's awesome. I'm sure you've seen the finalists this year. Could you tell us maybe who among those finalists would you prefer to
Patay
win?
tayo dyan. Ito na, $1 million question. Karamihan sa kanila mga kaibigan ko eh. Pero ako personally, siguro pinakamalalim na relationship. Nagkaroon ako ng pinakamalalim na relationship kay Johannes nung nagtrabaho kami for Direk Joey Reyes, Pantay Bahay, yung pelikula. Tapos doon ko nakita yung artistry niya eh. Na the way he sings also. That's why personally, yung bias ko is si Johannes. I'm rooting for him.
Personal go kasi niyo po ba yung caring for animals?
Yes, tas nakakatuwa kasi parehas kami, I think, ni Johannes. Advocacy, siya din. Animal Foundation din. So, it makes sense.
Siguro po why care for the animals? Kasi diba may iba nagdodonate sa hospital and all that. Bakit pa sa inyo sa animals?
I think what we have to remember is when we help them, they help us also.
Yeah.
Diba? Maraming mga therapy dogs and cats, right? Tinutulungan yung mga bulag, and when you're grieving, lalapit sila naturally sa'yo. Diba? It's healing eh. Yung ganong energy exchange.
What can you say about dun sa monkey na si Punch?
Cute! Alam mo, nakakatuwa kasi.
Nandito po siya.
Na-save na siya!
Pare-pares naman tayo unggoy. May ganun, same na same yung anak ko. Tapos naalala ko pa nung time na yun kasi may time na sobrang kay particular ako sa pera. So nag-react pa ako nung nagpunta sa sa IKEA yung family ko para bumili ng mga plato. May kasamang unggoy. Tapos ang reasoning nila, kasi niyakap-yakap na ni Pepito, tapos nilaway-lawayan na, nakakaya nang ibalik. So medyo, Nagtitipid tayo eh, pero sige na nga. And then I noticed after that, laging gustong katabi ni Ito. Tawag niya si Aki, Monkey Aki. Then kato, nakita ko, yun din yung unggoy na hawak-hawak.
Six
na
staff
yun.
to.
Diba? So every time nakikita ko yung unggoy na yun, naayusin ko yung anak ko. Diba? Yun, wala lang.
Pepe,
nakaka-touch
anong
lang.
message mo sa singling family na binigyan ka ng chance to have a singing career? Ganun po.
Well, hindi lang naman yung singling yung nagbigay sa akin, pero isa ang singling sa mga unang nagbigay sa akin ng pagkakataon na maka-showcase ng talent ko na singing skills ko sa isang singing competition. So, I'm always grateful. Naalala ko, I had a great time with my fellow contestants. Doon ko yata unang naging kaklose si Patrick tsaka si Aljur. And then, nagkatrabaho kami sa isang teleserye after that. So, mas madali na yung rapport namin. Tapos si Chucky, si Boobsy, and then the band, may time na nakikisoundcheck ako, nagda-drums ako with the band. So it felt like a playground. Kaya I'm always grateful. Forever grateful.
Sabi niya naman, sir, okay lang na tanongin. Kamusta na po kayo
Oo
ngayon
naman.
after the...
Oo naman.
Tanong natin.
Ayun, sakto. Kasi mag-ano ako, magpa-promote din ako. Pwede ba ako mag-promote?
Yes,
Promote. It's now a blessing for me kasi yung mental health journey ko, yung healing journey ko, led for me to go back some more to my singing roots. Yung matagal ko nang pinapangarap na makapagsulat ng sarili kong kanta at ma-release siya sa Spotify, nangyari na. And all of that leads to my first ever solo concert. Sana makapunta kayo sa Peta Theater, produced by Backstage Manila. And I'm creating my album also, kasabay noon, produced naman by Music Monks. So sana makapunta kayo April 21 sa Peta Theater.
Sir, what's the first single that you released?
Nasa Spotify na, post muna.
Pause.
So it's very much related to my healing journey also.
Kung saan ginawa niya?
It's my love letter to everyone.
Thank you po.
Thank you.
Sige,
Salamat po.
Pwede naman, sir. Upo din kami.
Pwede, kung gusto nyo.
Picture naman.
Pwede, di ba? Para mas relax tayo. Diba? O, sakto, umaatras tong wall, oh.
Oh my gosh!
Ayan, ano po ka, sir?
Picture lang.
Diba? Picture lang.
Picture nung ha.
Sarap pala yung looking up.
Sir, dito pa.
Pepe, hindi po. Okay po.
Okay. Love, money, fame. The top of it is love.
Go.
Pepe, kumusta ka na after nung singling
Dito
version?
tayo.
Kumusta yung pagbabalik mo sa singling?
Pwede naman, okay lang sa akin. Pero, kamusta yung pagbabalik ko sa singling? Ayun, naalala ko yung mental health ko.
Binalik talaga, no?
Bumalik na naman.
Hindi, syempre, it's an honor, di ba? Kasi one of the highlights of my singing career. Not a lot of people. Ngayon, mas dumadami na, but in the past few years, not a lot of people know that I sing. Kita ko madalas sa comment section, ay kumakanta pala siya. So, this is my roots eh. So, it's a reminder of the time when my roots were celebrated. And this is also the first time to sing